Good morning, students. So today we will start with new block, that is block 7, using a map. And our topic of discussion for today is elements of map. Alright, so we'll learn about the elements of map. Our aim for today, student will be able to recognize the elements of a map. Resources required is your S1, your exit content book, and your notebook. Keywords for today is locate, title, compass rose, symbols, legend, key, and scale. So as usual, let's look into the meaning of the term. Alright, so what is point number 1? Locate. To place, to set in a particular spot or position. That is known as locate. Point number 2, title. A section or division of a subject. That is known as title. Okay. Compass rose. A graduated circle using mark in degrees indicating directions and printed or inscribed on a appropriate medium. That is known as compass rose. And symbol. Object or picture that represents something else. That is known as symbols. And what is legend? A key to the symbols and color codes on a map, chart, etc. That is known as legend. And lastly, what is scale? The ratio of depicted distance to actual distance. That is known as scale. Okay, that is the ratio of depicted distance to actual distance. Alright, so I hope now you are clear with the meaning of the term. So let me ask you a question. Have you seen a picture of the Taj Mahal? Alright, have you seen a picture of a Taj Mahal? Do you know where the Taj Mahal is located? Or do you want to go and visit the Taj Mahal? And can you find the Taj Mahal from its photograph only? Do you think can you find Taj Mahal from its photograph only? Can you tell the name of a place from its photograph? That is, from the photograph of Taj Mahal, can you tell the name of the place? And can you tell where a place is actually located on the earth and how to reach there from its photograph only? Why and why not? Alright, student. Okay, so today you will learn how to find places. Alright, we learn how to find places. Okay, so before that, let me just give you an example. Alright, I'll just give you an element of a map. Okay, so these are the elements of a map. As you can see that you have the title, right, known as the United States of America. You have the legend, that is the symbol. Okay, the scale, the credit, the north arrow, direction, place name Hawaii, inset, alright, that is Alaska, the ground figures, the net line. Alright, all these are elements of a map. Okay, that is as written here, right? T, title, orientation, date, outer, legend, and scale. So these are basic elements of a map. Okay, so in order to study a map, you'll be needing the title, the legend, the scale, and orientation. Everything you'll be needing. Okay, and even the directions. Alright, so all these are very important point to remember while reading a map. Alright, so I'll just show you one more picture. That is the map of India. So observe the given map. Alright, what is the map? Element of a map. Okay, so this thing you have to observe carefully. Okay, as you observe the given map. Okay, so this is a map of India. Alright, map of India. As you can see the name India written here. So what all do you see on the map of India? Like what are the things that you see on the map of India? how does this map help us? Alright, what all do you see on the map of India? How does this map help us? Okay, for this picture you can find even in your content book. Okay, page number 37 and 39. You will even find in content book page number 37 and 39. Okay, if you cannot see it clearly, you can even look from your textbook content book page 37 and 39. So student, the map of India shows the states and capital, all right, and the boundaries. Okay, and also it has a section called legend, indicating, see, it has a section called legend. Okay, as you can see here, that is indicating all that exists on the map. Alright, whatever you find in the map, you'll see in the axis. Okay, legend. Alright, you'll see in the legend. So as you can see, the international boundary, like dot 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 somewhere else this side, and also you see the state boundary, which are indicated in bold black one. Okay, and the country capital, as you can see here, and the state capital, as you can see, the small red dot. Okay, those are country capital. So it shows an arrow pointing to the north direction. All right, if you can see the arrow mark here, okay, pointing the north direction. A map gives all the necessary information about a place. Okay, that is, which help us to read and understand the area shown in the map better. This information is given with the help of elements of a map. All right, so the information is given with the elements of a map. Okay, as you can see, the title, right? As you can see, the title, the legend, all right, the direction, that is the north direction. Okay, and the scale as well, but the scale is actually not mentioned here. I'll let you know very soon. So these are elements of map. Okay, so now question here is, what all do you see on the map of India? What does this map help us? What are the elements of a map? How can we recognize the element from a map? All right, so I've already given you what all do you see on the map. So question number 2, similarly, question number 2, okay, what are the elements of a map? How can we recognize the elements from a map? Okay, from the given picture, you'll see that there are many elements of a map. Okay, we know that this is a map of India as it has been written on the top. That is, as it is written on the top. See, the top one, that is the map of India, right? Similarly, this is called the title of a map. Okay, we know the direction with the help of compass given in the map. So even the compass is given on the map, right? That is, we know the direction. Okay, and also below the title, okay, this is the compass rose and tell us the direction. We can locate the state and capital or anything given in the map with the help of symbol, as it is given here from the legend symbol. Okay, from there we can easily locate the states and its capital and the country capital. Okay, the meaning of each symbol is given in the list. As you can see, the meaning of each symbol, right? The dotted line indicating the international boundary, the black line indicate the state boundary, the red one indicate the country capital, like that. Okay, so we can know from the symbol. Okay, and that is known as legend or key. Other than this, we can also find the distance between any two places shown in the map with the help of scale. So a scale is okay, it is a distance, okay, which is already given, which used to give us information about distance A to B or position A to B. All right, these four things, that is the title, direction, legend, and scale, help us to read the map. They are known as the elements of a map. All right, last question. Okay, what is the importance of the elements in completing a map? Question number 3, What is the importance of the elements in completing a map? Question here is, what is it important? What is the importance of the elements in completing a map? Alright students, so see, a map is incomplete without its four elements. That is, I have given you title, scale, legend and direction. A map is incomplete without four elements. That is title, scale, legend and direction. Okay, so the elements help us to read the information given in the map. Alright, without the elements it will not be a complete and true map. Okay, so that is the importance of having an element. Now things to do. Alright, you have to complete your worksheet. Okay, S1. Alright, you'll find on page number 19, and then you have to complete your practice question number 7. Alright, and right after that you have to complete your practice question number 7. Okay, in your notebook. So that is for today. Thank you, all the best and take care.